National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for South Central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ballantyne, or 7 miles north of Irmo, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. The following impacts are expected: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Fairfield County Airport around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bryan, Winsboro Mills, and Blithewood. This includes Interstate 77 between mile markers 29 and 36.